Hello everyone. So we are done with the PHP string function as well as we are done with the PHP numeric function. Now our next topic is all about user defined function. So here first of all how to define like a function user defined you can say like we have to write function. Okay, then name of the function whatever name you want. Okay, so here display, and this is nothing but the parameter brackets. If you want you can pass, if you don't want to pass then keep it empty, it depends on the requirement. Then curly bracket opening, and we are writing echo, and double quotation we are writing hello. Okay, and then we are concatenating using dot, and we are writing dollar name. Okay, and then closing bracket. So now we will call this display function by this statement. So we are writing display, and as you all can see, when you are declaring or defining any user defined function, and at that time if you have passed any parameter, like here one parameter is there. Okay, so at the time of calling also you have to compulsory pass one parameter. So this is the one parameter which I am passing actually. So this will get stored in this dollar name variable. Then it will go inside of this function and it will print hello and this value which is Mr. Pratik Shah. Okay. Then echo break a line. Then we have one more user defined function in the same program which is function and then add. Now here you all can see two parameters. One is dollar first comma dollar second. So obviously at the time of calling we have to pass two parameters, because at the time of defining function we have used two parameters. So and we are writing echo and then we are calling add 100 comma 200. So this will jump to this part, and in first 100 will get copied and in second 200 will get copied. It will go inside of this. We have only one statement which is return. Okay, and it will return addition of this two value which is 100 plus 200. So answer is what? 300. So return 300 indicates you have to come back from where you have called, that means this part. So this full part will get replaced by your answer 300, and because of the echo it will print 300 on your output screen. So control S and we'll check the output of this quickly. See, it is hello Mr. Pratik Shah and 300. See, we are getting both the output. Thank you everyone.